Hello friends, in this video we will discuss a problem based on projectile motion. So in the question it is given that a body is thrown with a velocity of 20 meter per second at an angle of 60 degree with the horizontal. Find the time gap between the two positions of the body where velocity of body makes an angle of 30 degree with the horizontal. So according to the condition given in the problem, the initial velocity with which the object is projected is 20 meter per second and it makes an angle of 60 degree with the horizontal. Let us call this point as point A. In its subsequent motion, which we know will be a parabolic path, let us assume that it crosses point B where its velocity vector makes an angle of, let us say, 30 degrees with the horizontal. So now we have to find the time gap between the two positions where the body makes an angle of 30 degree. So the next position where object will make an angle of 30 degree with the horizontal will be its symmetrically opposite position, that is point D. Let us call this point as point D, and I am assuming that C is the highest point in its trajectory. So let us now shift our focus at point B where velocity is u and it makes an angle of 30 degree. Suppose we have to find the value of u. For this purpose, we can use the fact that the horizontal component of velocity of projectile remains constant. So equating the horizontal component of its velocity at points A and B, we can write 20 cos 60 degree is equals to u cos 30 degree. From here the value of u comes out to be equal to 20 by root 3 meter per second. Now with the help of this value, we can find the vertical component of velocity at point B. So now at point B, its vertical component will be equal to u sine 30 degree, that is 10 by root 3. Let us now shift our focus from point B to C in y direction. So in y direction, from point B to C, we now have initial velocity in y direction to be equal to 10 by root 3. Final velocity in y direction at point C is 0, since C is the point where the projectile reaches its maximum height. Acceleration in y direction we know for a projectile is equal to minus 10. Now if t is the time taken to travel from B to C, we can directly apply the first equation of motion to get the value of t, that is v equals to u plus a into t. This time comes out to be equal to 1 by root 3 seconds. Now since we know that the upward motion and downward motion are symmetric, so the total time taken to travel from B to D will be equal to 2 times the time for from B to C. So our final answer for this particular problem will be time taken to travel from B to D is twice T B to C, that is 2 by root 3 seconds, which on further simplification or calculation will give the value of 1.15 seconds. This is our final desired result. Thank you.